Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by prioritizing safety, gloves, eye protection, and fresh air. Once done, confirm the battery chemistry, AGM, flooded lead acid, or lithium because chargers vary. Next, remove seat and side covers, then use a wrench to loosen the negative terminal first. Tuck it away to avoid contact. Inspect for corrosion and check voltage with a multimeter. Make sure the charger you have supports the battery type, and set initial voltage and amp limits before connecting. This prevents damage and sets you up correctly. You now connect the charger with care. Attach the positive clamp to the red terminal first, then the negative to the black terminal or chassis ground if instructed. Once connected, select the charger mode that matches the battery condition. Use a low amp trickle for maintenance or a higher amp to revive a discharged battery, but avoid excessive current. Monitor the charger's indicators and listen for abnormal sounds once charging begins. Check voltage periodically with your multimeter to confirm proper progression through bulk, absorption, and float stages. You finish by allowing the charger to reach the designated float voltage for the battery type, then power it off and disconnect the negative clamp first, followed by the positive. This prevents sparks. Reinstall components, start the Harley, and verify charging system voltage is about 5 to 14. 5 volts with the engine running to confirm alternator function. If the battery refuses to hold charge, test for parasitic draw or a bad cell with a load tester. If it fails those tests, replace the battery to avoid roadside failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.